Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ili and today we're going to do a back to school makeup video. A lot of you requested it, so here it is. Okay, so I want to make a little disclaimer. I don't wear makeup when I go to high school every day. I don't put foundation on my skin every day, put mascara on my lashes every day because I have a very sensitive face, and if I'll put foundation every morning on my face, it will cause me breakouts. Same for the lashes. If I'll put mascara every single day, they will just fall off and lose their volume. So usually I'm just putting on a moisturizer, some concealer, clear brow gel, a color chapstick, and that's it. Now I will show you how I did my makeup on the first day of school, because I wear makeup on the first day of school, and how I would do it if I wear makeup to school. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so my first step is moisturizer. I use the Kylie Skin Face Moisturizer. It is very hydrating and it is very gentle with my skin, and it really keeps my skin moisturized throughout the day. This is what I really use on a daily basis. Then I will take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and conceal my under eye. Then just take my concealer brush and blend it in. So now we have our concealer on. That will make us not look tired, and yeah, that's a good thing because I have really bad under eye circles, so yeah. After the concealer, I'm taking my Peach Perfect powder from Too Faced and take it with a smaller powder brush and just set your concealer. I also put a little bit on my contour line, so that way the contour that we will be applying will stick to its place. So yeah. Okay, so next step is contour. I'm taking my Hoola bronzer from Benefit, a small compact contour brush, and just tapping my contour. You don't want to put too much, because that way it won't look natural anymore and it will look like a lot of makeup. So just make sure that you blend it in carefully and smoothly. Now I'm taking a smaller contour brush for my nose contour. Same thing as the cheeks. Make sure you make some subtle lines. If you put a little bit of contour under your lips, it will make them look a little bit bigger, especially if we will put a chapstick and not a lipstick, so we can't overline with it. Now I'm moving to brows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel. It's a colored one, so just to give them a little bit of color, because I don't use a brow pencil. Taking a subtle highlighter. This is the Kylie Jenner one in the shade Ice Me Out, because I want a little bit of a natural glow. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter brush and just give yourself a natural glow. If you want, you can take again the shade that we used for the contour and a little eye blending brush, dig it in air and just contour your eye a little bit. For the lips, I'm usually using these Still lipsticks. Actually, there are some colored chapstick with a little bit of pigment. I like them because they're very creamy and subtle. They look very nice on your lips. I think I'm going to do right now the more peachy shade, but this just depends on you. You can actually wear whatever you want on your lips. Just feeling more comfortable at school using these kind of lip products. Okay, so now it's time for mascara. I will usually do like a little subtle mascara, but right now I want to test with you guys these stuff that I got yesterday. I got their Real mascara from Benefit and the Urban Decay Lash Primer, and I wanted to test them out with you guys, so yeah. So I'm gonna be using the primer first. Here we go. This primer claims to make my lashes amazingly thicker, longer and stronger, so we will see about that. Now I'm taking the mascara, which has like a very interesting texture. Wow. I think the primer did a really good job, but also the mascara itself did a really good job. You can see that on the lower lashes. So yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase. It was not a flop. Thank God. Now I'm finally setting all of this with my all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. Okay guys, so this was my version of back to school makeup. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe I was able to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, give me a thumbs up, comment down below what do you want me to do next, and subscribe to my channel. I see you every Thursday here on my channel. Bye guys.